Okay, so one thing that I feel that all females have in common is that we want to feel pretty no matter what we're wearing. So I wanted to find some underwear that actually made me feel pretty, even though nobody else is going to be seeing it. These underwear are very comfortable, they're very lightweight, and I feel like they run true to size. So that was the first mistake. I felt like since these underwear were kind of thin and I thought they were like just spandex, I thought they were going to be too small for me. So I went up a size when I shouldn't have. So I ended up purchasing a medium. I ended up purchasing a large, but I should have gotten a medium because these are way too big for me. Now in the bralette, I do feel like the large does fit comfortably. I probably still could have sized down to medium, but I feel like the large is okay. I don't see any side boobage in the bralette with it being a large, and it fits so good, especially the top one that kind of just gives you like a crew neck scoop. I like this one and the other one that gives you like the split in the middle for the individual for your boot to have two sides, but they fit so good. They're so comfortable. I actually don't even realize that I'm wearing a bra when I have these on.
I'll admit that we were just a little toxic, babe. I drove you mad till we crashed, then we lost our way. Gave it chance after chance, but it ain't the same. We managed to damage everything. You got me good. Retracted, fell back in. You were quick to make a move. Never fear the consequences of your action. Acting nonchalant like it ain't never happened. Put her in no passenger, you got her fastened.
So I heard about Lounge, I think through another YouTuber, and I decided to go ahead and get a pair because I saw how they fit and they were really cute. Same thing with this company. I got a size large in both pair of my underwear, and they are so big. These are even bigger in a large than the Skims were. So I definitely need to either go to a medium or even maybe a small. So all of these actually fit really well. The top pair that's kind of like a little wider than a thong. The back has like this texture mesh material, and I thought at first it was going to be a little uncomfortable, but you really honestly can't tell that it's even a different type of fabric. So I thought that was pretty good. When it's on, the back part kind of flows exactly where it's supposed to be, and besides the fact that it's just a little loose around my hips, but overall the line is very good, and I've watched them. The only thing that I saw that might be a little negative, the words lounge around the top are kind of fading, but I think that possibly might be from me putting them in the dryer on a high heat. So I think from now on, with any underwear that I purchase, after I wash them on the delicate cycle, I'm just gonna start hanging them to dry, and I think that'll kind of help that.
So it's not right for you to hit my line on a late night. I'm just fine, cause you were out of sight and out of my mind. Cause I do me while you do you. Wish you want the best, wish you knew. You hate stupid, but I was a fool for you. Watch me do me while you do you. Hope it works out with your new boo. Feeling stupid, cause I was a fool for you. Should've known that you're the type to try and play me, babe. Fool me once, you fool me twice, that was my mistake. Left the track, I knew I should've stayed in my lane. We managed to damage everything. You got me good.
Alright, thanks for watching this video. I try to make it short and straight to the point. If you guys have any more brands that have nice underwear, please let me know and I will be sure to check it out. See you next time.
Retracted, fell back in. You were quick to make a move. Never fear the consequences of your action. Acting nonchalant like